Very easy concept.
And
And let's start FBD1. Okay, FBD1. First one. Let's say 01.07/2023, and first run is from 01, last run on 31st of December. Interval is 01, run date is 01. So, for example, we take a connection for internet or insurance or maybe whatever, or uh, we are running an event for like 6 months. So we are going to pay an amount for like event. Okay. So we have to instruct SAP over intervals. That is, every month it will be run, and the run date will be 01, 02, 10, 15, whatever. Okay. Okay. So we instruct our system to run a recurring entry from 1st of July to 31st of December. Every month, that is interval is every month, and we will copy the text. It can be run for like events or insurance or internet connection or anything that you take on a regular basis with regular fixed amount. Okay. So 40 will be our debit for a GL account. On GL account will be GL account. GL account. Come on. Here 48. 01/07/2023 is the first run date 31st/12/2023. Interval invoice is every month 01. Run date will be 01/01. Document type will be AB. ESD. It will be event 5200 KR48, and we will have a GL account which will be debited. So let's create a GL account for events. KR48. Okay. Expense account 201. Let's copy it. Three zero two five 250. And this will be events, exhibitions, expenses. Rest all will be the same. This will be debited 30250 and 101 will be credited. Okay. So 30250, enter 5200. Assignment 501001. Display document overview. Enter. Create display document overview and post. So document 2100 was stored. So we will go to F. Next step is F.14. Company code is KR48 2023. Document type AB or any. Settlement period is 01/07/2023 to 31st/12/2023. Okay. Batch input session. Event 5200. Execute. Oh, execute. Session event 5200 was created. Okay. Now we will go to SM35. SM35 is event 5200, and we will select it. Process. We'll process in the foreground. If there are many, we can use it in the background as well. Extended log, expert mode, process. Now it will show the entries like this. I will hit enter, 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 enter. It was session was completed. Exit, batch input. I will go to FPL, CN 302050. All items execute. One item displayed 5200. Event KR48, document number 105 was posted. Okay. And on what date? 017. Now F dot 14. Again, KR 48. Settlement period 017-31-12-2023. Event. Execute. It was created. SM35. We have another event. Process. Extended log. Enter. Enter. Now it is taking 018. It is posting for August. Okay. This is the beauty of SAP. You just give the instruction, it takes care of everything when the process is correct. Okay. Exit batch. FBL3N 30250. Execute. Now we have 17 and 18 automatically done. Okay. So this was our today's very short lecture.